Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd. This channel is about teaching you the basics of cooking because it's a skill that everyone should know. Trust me when I say it. So what I'm going to do for the next couple of days starting from today is I'm going to show you what I eat and what I prepare as I'm home, kind of isolating myself here right now from the public. So I just want to get into what I do here. So we're going to put together this beautiful power bowl that I'm going to have for lunch. So first we're going to start with some tricolor quinoa. Love this stuff. Love it. Easy to cook. The nutrition on this is top notch. So you could listen, you could put as much or as many as you want in it. I just get, for me, a big boy, I just want to get a decent filler here, right? So, some roasted plantain that I did, some spice. These are semi-ripe roasted plantain. It's not banana, guys, plantain. Okay, yellow peas, beautiful product. It's almost like chickpeas, but it's better. It's almost like a dal, chickpeas too, right? So like split peas, I should say, split peas. So that's here. My lentil, of course, put them over here. And guys, this doesn't have to be hot. You could eat it cold or you can eat it hot. It's up to your warm. It's up to you, okay? Okra. A lot of people don't know what it is, but it's a beautiful vegetable full of good nutrition stuff. So I'm gonna put those in the corner here, nothing particular. I gotta have some tomatoes. Love these, some romaine lettuce here. So I just put them here. Eggs. There, food right in the middle. I still don't want to look like dog food still. I want to put it together properly, When I sit, I want to enjoy this, okay? Some avocado. This stuff here is the best, yeah, man. Good fat, the best. I put it right in the corner here. Half avocado, guys. I just want to cut this egg open. Beauty. All right. Just cut it open, And no, it's not too much egg. I don't eat it every day. Cut a lime or a lemon if you want. I cut a lime in half to just squeeze over all this bad boy and I'm good to go. Right? So this is my first power bowl for this day here, Sunday. So we can continue this every day around this time here. I post one of these here. And then just to top it up, I have some fruits. So you could do anything. Tomorrow I'm gonna figure out what other fruits I'm gonna eat, but I'm gonna have some watermelon in this case here, okay? But this is what I'm gonna eat today. It's called my power bowl. If there's anything about this power bowl that you like, please subscribe and thumbs up. Always is good, but I will be posting one of these every day when I'm eating, okay? So it might be power bowl, and then I might throw it into something different, okay? But for now, this is what I'm gonna eat today, and tomorrow around this time I'm gonna get something up again, okay? Listen, be safe out there, and please be positive. We will get through this. Trust me when I say it. The world's not ending. We will get through this, okay? And everybody, please be safe, okay? And please subscribe. Thank you.